There's more in common to Zapier automation and drumming than you'd think. Let me explain. My name is Ben. I work at Contractor Appointments as the CTO. Contractor Appointments helps contractors get connected to homeowners that are looking for estimates on replacing their roof, getting their windows replaced, and the complex nature of trying to find the right company in the most convenient way. So I picked up drums when I was 7 and just went for it and just loved the rhythm, creating a healthy foundation that is like a train. It just keeps things steady and keeps things going. When I first started working with Contractor Appointments, Sean was a buddy of mine that I grew up with. We did garage bands together and we kind of split ways and came back. They were trying to do everything for the company. They were taking phone calls, they were trying to book appointments, they were trying to do sales. When Sean came and invited me into this role, I was like, well, I'll help you in any way that I can. And then when he was like, here, let's use this tool, I was like, well, that's a little over my head. Zapier was the tool that he recommended that he just was underutilizing. And over the course of a few crazy years, kind of really scaling down, bootstrap, we figured out how to be really profitable and improve our set rate all over text automation, synced Zapier with all the different platforms and tech stack that we kind of scaled up to. In the early days when I was working at Contractor Appointments and trying to solve one-off problems or building a one-off tool, it was great. But as my workload became bigger, I realized, man, I'm gonna have to see this from a zoomed out perspective. Zapier, in essence, is taking data from A to B, right? When I play drums, I think of that when I'm playing just a consistent groove. So you have a starting point, you have an end point, and kind of what happens in the middle is really up to the business. It was oh my gosh, I could fully qualify someone into an appointment and set them up without ever actually responding to them. And so to be able to go oh, it landed. I feel like as a maker of solutions for companies, my confidence level has skyrocketed, knowing that, man, I could tailor a solution for this company or this company because I'm good at relationship and I have a tool that can help people get from A to B super seamlessly. Because that's what drumming is you're supporting other people and creating a foundation for things, right? 3 years ago, I was doing a 5-day work week. I had someone under me that I was teaching Zapier. I was teaching them all about the systems that I had been creating kind of 3 years previous that they had learned. And my wife came to me and was like, Ben, look, what would it look like if you worked 4 days, 4 10-hour days, so that we could have a consistent day that was a family day? And I thought, I think that's possible with all the systems that we've already made and the impact on our family. As a married couple, we love our family day almost more than our weekly date nights. And so Zapier has really helped us automate the crap out of the system so that we're so present on those days when I'm off. Zapier has enabled me to carve out meaningful memories and consistent weekly moments with my family. There's something beautiful about a solo artist doing something really well, but there's something incredible that happens when you have multiple instrumentalists, vocalists, all have practiced something and it's correlating together and it's rising to one unified note. And so to be able to see through Zapier the orchestration of all the systems working together, because businesses are complex, it's crazy. And so to see it come to fruition, that's where you have a song.